Hello, everyone, welcome back to my mukbang video. In today's video, I will be filming a video of myself having a mukbang and trying to get famous. Now let's pick some food to eat now. I went for some starter breakfast since they're cheap. I went straight for the ramen because I love the ramen. Spicy ramen is my go-to. How about you guys? For my sides, I will be having some chicken nuggets and chicken tenders. Now, for the sandwiches for the last part. Now I will be speeding this up, placing my food down. Now let's start eating. Now I'm currently also recording. People are commenting on it. Meanwhile, I'm eating some hamburgers. All of this love and support is literally amazing. I've always wanted to get this kind of support. Done with my burgers, I'm having some tacos now. And the tacos are pretty good. Now for the chicken. I really love chicken. Am I gone, guys? I just got donated $40 for having a mukbang. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now the next guy donated $100. I wish that would be me one day. All of the support, just what I wish for. I'm also eating more pizza. This is really great. Okay guys, I'm about to end the video. Thank you so much for watching all the way through the end. I really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Goodbye.